Programming a key fob for your 2004 Ford F-150 is a simple DIY process. This method synchronizes the fob's radio frequency with your truck's body control module. First, insert your key into the ignition. Next, cycle the ignition from off to on and back to off a total of 8 times, ending in the on position. Do this quickly. The doors should lock and unlock, indicating you've entered programming mode. This gives you a 20 to 30 second window. Then, press any button on the new key fob. The doors should lock and unlock again, confirming the fob is programmed. Repeat step 3 for any additional fobs you want to program, up to a maximum of 4. Finally, turn the ignition off. The doors should lock and unlock one last time, signaling the end of the programming session. Ensure you have a fresh CR2032 battery in your fob for a strong signal. If it doesn't work the first time, try again, paying close attention to the timing of the ignition cycles. The RF communication operates at 314 MHz. If programming doesn't work, check the BCM fuse first. A blown fuse will prevent programming completely. Ensure you're using an OEM-compatible or reputable aftermarket fob. Counterfeit fobs often fail due to incompatible frequencies. Confirm the ignition switch is functioning correctly. Worn switches can disrupt the programming sequence. If issues continue, the BCM itself may be faulty, requiring professional diagnosis. Some owners upgrade to smartphone-based apps via aftermarket adapters for enhanced security and features like remote start. Sourcing OEM-compatible fobs can be challenging due to tightened supply chains. Battery life can also be affected by extreme cold, necessitating battery replacements alongside reprogramming. While DIY programming is feasible, be aware that ignoring security updates can increase the risk of vehicle theft. If unsure, consult a professional to avoid costly errors.